Today, we're going to draw a cute cactus. Step 1. Draw a flat brick with round corners. Draw a line down, then go across, and come back up. Now we have a bowl. Draw a tall rainbow on the pot. Draw two chubby arms on the sides. Draw 3 bumps on top to make a flower. Draw little spikes. Draw 2 dots for eyes and a big smile. Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawing.